Tonight, we're taking a deeper look at Kansas City's other epidemic, crime. We're tracking the numbers and looking at how that compares to the coronavirus, which is deadlier. Here's investigative reporter Angie Racono.
The answer to that question depends on where you live. Are you on the Missouri side or are you over in KCK? And then it also depends on how you look at the numbers. So tonight, we break it all down.
Crime has increased. Homicides have increased.
It's been a rough year for Kansas City police. The murder rate has the city in the nationwide spotlight.
That's someone's child, it's someone's family member, it's someone's loved one. And it's difficult to see that happening in our community.
Even federal agents have come to help.
To keep seeing murders in Kansas City is an area of disappointment.
At the same time, the coronavirus led to a shutdown, a mandatory mask policy, and the upcoming school year is a mess. So how do the two compare? Here's one way to look at the numbers. Since March 1st, there have been 94 homicides and 76 deaths due to coronavirus. Recently, things are starting to change, even with a deadly weekend, which included a fatal shooting in the zoo parking lot. In the last 2 weeks, 16 people have died from coronavirus, and there have been 11 homicides. It's a much different story across the river in KCK. These COVID statistics are kept by KCK Wyandotte Health Department and compared to the Kansas City, Kansas Police Department. Since March, there have been 26 homicides and 99 deaths attributed to the coronavirus. In the past 2 weeks, 6 more deaths due to coronavirus and 1 homicide. We also wanted to know which has sent more people to the hospital, coronavirus or guns. And in Kansas City, it's guns. Since March 1st, there has been 233 non-fatal shootings. All of those people needed to go to the hospital. And when it comes to coronavirus, it's a bit less. In Kansas City, Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.